Hello, is this Fine Urban Interiors? Okay, thank you. This is Wycliffe. I'm calling in regard to the advertisement, the pictures, the videos I'm seeing on the net. Yes, I have a project that I need to be done by Fine Urban. Are you in a position to come and see it and view it? Asante sana. Karibu.
Hello guys, and we are back in Katani today, here with Mr. and Mrs. Wycliffe. Today we will be a part of letting them see their new home for the first time. So now we're going to cut the ribbon and open the doors.
Okay. Wow.
Gotta write down the words that I still can't say. Every night it's a fight and I'm in my way. You know it's
I love this.
hard to admit when
It's so fantastic.
Yes,
It's
yes,
been
yes.
such a huge transformation. I was one of the first people who was actually here. I think I recall meeting with you when I came in to do some measurements, and the structure looks so different.
Very different. Even the beams and everything, the stairs.
First question I just have to ask, how did you guys find out about Fine Urban Interiors?
Yes, how we found out about Fine Urban, I just Googled because I was looking for interior design from the internet.
Yes.
I sampled so many, I made calls. I was actually fantastic with the reception from the phone calls.
Yeah.
Yeah, they visited the first time they came. I got confidence from the team. Then I get the job out.
So I wanna understand this process.
Yes.
Because sometimes we see things online, and then when you go and actually get it, or people come and do the job, it's a bit iffy.
Yes.
So what was it that you saw when you found us on Google that you're like, these are the guys, I trust them, and those are the people I actually want to come and do my house?
For sure, I had to look at some of the projects that they've done. And this was to enable me understand if they're capable of going and taking over this project to the next level.
Yes.
Yes, that gave me confidence. Secondly, they gave me the quotation. We had to sit down and looked at it. The confidence in the staff.
Yes.
When I met the director, Cleophas, he gave me a lot of confidence.
Yes.
And I did my research, and as I told you, I did not only talk to Fine Urban. I spoke to 3 more other interior designs.
Yes.
So there are other issues that I do not want to disclose out of what I did like about others, but in brief, that is what gave me confidence, Fine Urban.
So you liked how involved we were in the process. We did not just hand you over to someone and be like, there was a team of people you were able to talk to, you were able to communicate with the director, and that's what built that confidence for you. I mean, and standing here, I can say,
Sure.
I can say really it's paying off. I am in awe. I am in awe of all this work. What's your favorite thing on this level?
Favorites, one I'm happy about.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very cool. Yes, the tiles.
Yeah.
I love big tiles because it's giving me. I love the color because white normally bring out the space.
That's perfect, because those are things that I personally feel working with Fine Urban we do the best. Tile selection, creating like focal walls that are just incredible to look at, finishing them off with things like the fireplace. That's actually my favorite thing. I was so ready for you to say that. I absolutely love that wall.
Thank you.
And we now go up to the next level and take a look.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can. The tiles, the steps.
They continue up the stairs. Go ahead, please. The lights underneath the stairs.
Yes.
That is such a fine urban interiors touch. It's so modern, and I just feel like it's so well implemented and suits the house.
The house and the finer finishing. I love the Eden, the snake lights.
Yes.
The gypsum. Very nice.
Nice, clean, simple lines throughout.
Yes.
Is that something that you were specific about?
One, simplicity for me, it's key.
Yes.
I didn't want so much complicated. We had to change so many things during this process of the design. There's one thing that I can talk about is the toilets. Yes.
Yeah.
I had to request some of the modifications to be done. There's some structural, the closets, walk-in closets had to be done.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, structurally. Actually, I want us to talk about that because even in this room alone, I know there's a lot of structural changes.
Yes.
The entire house had a lot of changes that needed to be done. Was that something you were expecting when you reached out to an interior design company?
Not at all.
Yeah.
But after engaging the designer and giving me the other side of the coin, I saw the sense of having a walk-in closet.
Yes.
So that I can also have more space for the house and the bedroom.
When I talked about structural changes, this is one of the places I feel like I'm going to point it out again. So there's this wall. Like just, I can kind of see what they were going for, but there was a wall that extended from here and came all this way.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm thinking, this is me thinking, this is not. I was thinking maybe they're trying to create like a walk-in for this room or
like
just to separate so that, but then it just took away so much space from the actual bedroom. So when we came in, we're like, you don't need that. We're going to come in here and put in cabinetry and still make sure you have that space that you really want. Took down the wall and now we have a room that feels so much bigger.
Oh, it's a huge room and there's so much going on.
Yeah.
And there's a door here which opens out into a balcony.
Woo.
Very nice. Okay.
So it's about involvement in the project, explaining what you need to get out of the best from what have been already built as structures.
Exactly. So as a company, personally doing this job, something I try to emphasize is the importance of including an interior designer from the get.
Yes.
So with your project, we came in, obviously the structure was up.
Yes.
We had the design ideas, but we knew the best way to make sure that those two things come together was by changing the structure in certain ways to make sure everything flows together.
Sure.
So
that did happen.
Yeah, so my question is, if you're ever to build another house, like what is the biggest eye-opening thing you've learned from working with Fine Urban?
I've come now to respect the professionalism. Yes, you need people who understand what they know best.
Yeah.
Talk to them.
Yeah.
Get to understand. Of course, I have my ideas. Yes, but when you talk to them, you better have the other side of the idea.
Yeah.
Because what you need at the end of the day is a better home, a finer home where you can have nice legs.
Drawn home.
You have a lot of outdoor spaces on this level. And I know at the moment they're not finished yet. I think one of them is right this way.
This is another bedroom.
Yes.
Yes, we had to do so many changes. We had to block this. We had another door at the end of it.
Yeah.
We had to block it so because we did not want so much light as well. Yes.
I've sung in theaters and on the street, slept in cities and never sleep, drank with beauties
Yes,
and
so I'm looking at
colors.
engaging Fainaban so that we look at how we can make the other balconies, we utilize the space.
Yes.
Yes, I need a showroom, or maybe I can call it, for lack of better words,
Yeah.
TV room.
Yes.
Yeah, where the kids can enjoy, visitors can enjoy watching their own without
Yeah.
having some bit of interference.
Yeah.
Yes, but I can tell you there's a lot of space. Yes.
A lot. I've been able to walk around.
Yes.
I heard maybe on that side there's going to be like some seating areas, like a fire pit somewhere you could just enjoy when you have people around. Are those things that sound good to you, or something that you would want in your home?
Yes, so that we can even have the outer stairs, so that after having some swim,
Yeah.
nice swim, you come and
Yes.
have the sunbathing.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. There's going to be an entire pool.
Yes.
But overall, this project, for me, I know I don't get to live here, but being able to see it from the get to where it is now and being so impressed, and being able to talk to the client and
Yes.
also seeing that you're happy with it.
Yes.
I mean, that's all I can say about that. I'm just so glad, and I'm happy that Fine Urban has been able to accomplish this for you.
Sure. One thing I
Yeah.
can say, Fainaban, keep it up.
Oh, thank you.
I'm happy. I'm engaging in the near future,
Yes.
so that whatever is remaining, we complete them.
Yes.
To make this a place to be.
Yeah, we can call this end of phase one. There's another phase that's going to come.
Sure.
Yeah, and hopefully we might get a glimpse of that, just a little bit.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'm happy.
It was so nice to meet you.
Okay. Sure, thank you.
So I would like to formally welcome you to the Fine Urban family. I have a small token here for you to remember us by.
Thank you. You're good people.
Here you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's nice, eh?
Yes.
When it gets to evening, I'll be enjoying this.
Yeah, they're very warm.
Very warm,
They're
eh?
very good quality
Thank
and
you.
very warm.
Yeah, okay. Asante sana Fainaban. Well done for the good job.